Welcome back to Cooking With Me. Today's installment is titled, Guac Did You Say? Because we are making guacamole as we continue on with this Keto BBQ series. But you can make guacamole anytime. By the way, this episode is brought to you by this handy dandy avocado slicer, and it's got this little circle thing where you can just slap it right on the seed and it pops right out. And then if you want to have the nice little clean cut slices, you do it like that. I'm really good at it. Luckily, we're making guacamole and presentation is not important. But at least I'm not slicing my hand open like a couple of recent celebrities. Actually, a better way to peel avocados is to cut it in quarters and just gently peel the skin off. Because did you know that most of the nutrients is in this dark green outer layer? I feel like that happens to me all the time when people are like, oh no, that's where all the nutrients are, and it's the part that I never eat. Okay, now that I have 3 avocados peeled and in a bowl, I like to add all my seasonings. About a ½ teaspoon of salt, about a ½ teaspoon of cumin. It's not the best spice in the world, but it's only cumin. If you like to live on the wild side, a little bit of cayenne pepper. Okay, now I'm gonna mash the avocados. Now I'm going to add some tomatoes, and you want to use about 1 or 2 medium-sized tomatoes, depending on how much you like tomatoes, but I like to use these little ones because I'm not very good at cutting tomatoes. Oh, I'm not good at cutting little tomatoes either. These tomato chunks are a little big, but I'm just going to go ahead and proceed. Then you want to add about half of a medium-sized onion. Next, you want to add the juice of 1 lime. Next, you want to add about a tablespoon of cilantro. Not too much, because if you add too much cilantro, the entire guacamole will taste like cilantro. I've done that before. And last but not least, if you like jalapeno peppers, add about half of a jalapeno pepper. Do your best to mince it. So I like to cut it long ways, and then you cut across the other way. Now we add that in there and just stir it up. After you stir it and it starts to look like some form of guacamole, it is ready to eat. But how do you eat it? Because you can't have tortilla chips on the keto diet. Well, you can eat it by itself, or get a vegetable tray and scoop it up with an assortment of vegetables, or you can use pork skins or crispy bacon. Crispy bacon's probably the best one. Thanks for tuning in to Cooking With Me. I've been me, and I hope you've been you.
Cooking with me, cooking with me, doo-ba-doo.
Well, the word on the street is, if you comment on this video, you'll be the talk of the town. If you subscribe, all of your dreams will come true. Till next time.